Hello everyone on the internet watching this video, how are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. How are you, Dan?
Yeah, I'm great.
What we've got for you today...
Great,
What?
brilliant.
What?
Oh, so much involved, Dan. Oh yeah, cool. Right
Yeah.
now. So, what are we doing here today on this military base then?
Well, what happened is, this happens quite a lot, I've discovered. Video games come out, right? And obviously, from my hoodie, you'll know that I'm a massive video game fan. I am an achievement hunter in my spare time.
I play games too.
He plays games, doesn't get paid for it, it's slightly different. So EA has brought us here to blow stuff up, basically. Isn't it?
Yeah, we're in an old military base and we're going to reenact some stuff from Battlefield 4.
Let's run the clip.
Yeah, there we go.
Grenade!
Yeah, so you might be thinking, well, I wouldn't trust the slower guys with grenades, but they somehow have. So each
Who
got a grenade.
gave me this? Who trusts me with this?
I certainly don't. Give me that.
Alright, give me... I shouldn't be ever
You
holding
should not be
a
holding
grenade.
that. I was scared for my life there.
So basically what we're going to do, even though the
Your hat's
wind's
blown
picking
up.
up, there goes my hat, we're going to blow up a load of stuff, we're going to just throw a grenade on the floor, and then we're going to blow up something with it. So
Yeah.
if you're okay with that, we'll commence. Alright, so we're out of the wind. You are obviously